Want financial peace of mind? Build a 6-month emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Some good, some not so good. That's why you need an emergency fund. Let me show you how to build one, even on a tight budget. Step 1. Calculate your goal. First, figure out how much you need. Add up your essential expenses, rent, groceries, bills, for 1 month. Multiply that by 6. That's your 6-month emergency fund goal. Step 2. Start small, save consistently. Start small. Even $20 a week adds up. Use a savings tracker to stay motivated. Every dollar counts. Step 3. Get creative. Boost your savings by selling unused items, cutting subscription services, or lowering your utility bills. Every little bit helps. Celebrate milestones along the way. 1 month saved? Amazing. 3 months? You're crushing it. 6 months? You're unstoppable. An emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. Start today, and you'll thank yourself later. Ready to build your emergency fund? Let's go. Drop a flexed bicep emoji in the comments if you're ready to start saving. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more money tips. See you in the next video.